Welcome to this session on API and web service testing, a critical part of modern software testing where functionality, reliability, and performance are validated at the back-end level. APIs, or application programming interfaces, allow systems to communicate by sending and receiving data. They power mobile apps, web apps, and complex cloud systems, making API testing essential to ensure the whole application ecosystem works as expected. Let's break down the key types of API testing. Functional testing validates that each API endpoint returns the correct response for a given request. Integration testing checks whether multiple APIs work together properly. Performance testing measures response time, throughput, and resource usage under various loads. Security testing ensures proper authentication, authorization, and data protection. Negative testing verifies how the API handles invalid input, timeouts, or missing parameters. APIs typically use protocols like REST, SOAP, or GraphQL. You test these using HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, and examine the response codes, headers, and payloads. Common tools for API testing include Postman for manual and automated RESTful API testing, SOAP UI, best for SOAP-based web services, JMeter for performance and load testing APIs. Rest Assured, a Java library for automating API validation. Best practices for API testing. 1. Validate response codes. 200 for success, 400 for bad requests, 401 for unauthorized access, and so on. 2. Test data formats. Ensure proper JSON or XML structure, including data types and field validation. 3. Assert business rules. Validate not just response format, but also logic and expected behavior. 4. Use environment variables. Configure base URLs, tokens, or keys dynamically for different environments. 5. Automate regression. Use test suites to quickly revalidate APIs after changes. Security is especially important in API testing. Check for vulnerabilities like insecure data exposure, broken authentication, rate limiting and input validation failures. Also, consider chaining requests, where the output of one API becomes the input for another. This helps simulate real-world workflows like user sign-up and order checkout. To summarize, API testing ensures that back-end services work correctly and securely. It covers functional, performance, and security aspects. Use tools like Postman, SOAP UI, and Rest Assured to streamline testing. In the next session, we'll explore test automation strategies and frameworks, helping you scale your QA efforts effectively.